Welcome! In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to enable all desktop notifications on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. If you've noticed that your notifications are not showing up while using Discord, chances are a setting might be preventing them from working. Let's go step by step and get those alerts back on track. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Once you're signed in, go down to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Right next to it, there's a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button, and it's where we need to start. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll be taken to the Settings menu. On the left side, you'll see several options listed. Scroll until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Go ahead and select it to open up those settings. Streamer Mode is a helpful feature because it hides personal information when you're live streaming, but it also has some options that can limit your notifications. Inside the Streamer Mode menu, look for the setting that says Disable Notifications. By default, this may be turned on to prevent pop-ups or sounds from appearing while streaming, but if you're not actively streaming, it can cause your usual desktop notifications to be blocked. To make sure that doesn't happen, find the option labeled Disable Notifications and turn it off. This will prevent Streamer Mode from interfering with your alerts. Once that's done, you can close out of your settings and go back to Discord. Now all your desktop notifications, whether it's messages, mentions, or activity from your servers, will appear as expected right on your computer. This fix ensures you won't miss out on important updates from friends or communities while using Discord. That's all it takes. Just a few simple steps can make a big difference. Open Discord, click the gear icon, head to Streamer Mode, and prevent notifications from being disabled. Now you're all set to stay connected and updated with everything happening on Discord.